Looks like you need some expo on elevator.
And if you don't fly full throttle, it falls out of the sky.
Interesting.
I'm going to try pulling it back just a little bit. Well, it's okay. It's still requiring nose down elevator. Not bad, Dan. You're going a good airplane. So let's make a low pass, and if it looks like a good way to land, we'll just drop the throttle. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, it still takes a bunch of nose down. Landing! We hope!
Soft crash coming.
Gotta think more positively than that. Boy, you gotta hold some throttle. It just isn't gonna. Going around. Not a bad flying airplane though, Dan. Landing. Now I've got to hold some throttle on. Oh, it's gonna lose control. Whoa! All right, let's just use the whole runway. Yep, got it. Thank you.